If you like the following content, please leave a tip at buymeacoffee/Whitley. So welcome back to Martian-Bean-Counter. Today we're about to embark on an artistic journey that's tailor-made just for you. If you're an artist and you're looking to showcase your work and make a living through your creative passions, I've got a stellar revelation for you today. It's all about Society6 and their brand new changes, including 3 distinct membership tiers. So let's dive in. Now, we reviewed this company before many times. This is probably actually the 3rd time we've come near it. So let's begin by painting a picture of what Society6 is. This has been a haven for artists since 2009, and it's not just an online marketplace. It's a canvas where artists from around the world can display their creations in a wide range of products, most of which are very high quality. Society6 connects with your art with your potential buyers, allowing you to monetize your passion and your talent. So we reviewed Society6 about 3 times now. I do this probably once a year since I started this channel. Don't have any problems with Society6. I think their product range is absolutely fantastic. I know when I put stuff on there and I bought it myself, it's been great. When I bought from other artists, it's been good. And I think my own stuff has gone on to sell quite well. Most of my selling has come through me having to promote it, and I'm assuming that every other artist goes through the same thing. But hold on to your brushes, because Society6 has recently undergone a transformation for whatever personal reasons they need to do this. They've introduced 3 membership tiers, each offering unique benefits. Well, at least 2 of them have. These tiers are designed to cater to artists at different stages of their creative journey. We'll go into them in a little bit more. So let's start off with the expensive one. This is the Pro plan. Let's talk about the Pro plan, which is priced at the stunning £12.99 a month. Sorry, $12.99 a month. It's like having a vast canvas where you can display up to a whopping 10,000 of your designs, which if you're doing that much, you're probably using AI to generate them. It's supposed to be a perfect for prolific artists, I should say, who want to showcase their entire portfolio and reach a broader audience. The Pro plan, in theory, opens up an expansive space for your creative universe. Within the company of Society6, within the website, this gives you a whole bunch of extras so that you can monitor exactly how you're selling, where you're selling them to, and how well you're selling them. But if you're a competent artist selling on there, it's not going to be passive at this point, which is probably what's changed actually. This has gone from passive income to an active income, and as an artist, if you're going to be paying that kind of price, which is £160 a year in order to do this. I keep saying pound, you can tell I'm from the UK. We're talking about $160 plus each year in order to sell your designs. Now, I've rarely made more than $100 a year from this website anyway, so that would just completely wipe me out. But it's no different really than if you were selling through an antique festival that travels, or some other website which has an active marketplace. And from their point of view is they want to wipe out all the, how can I put it, the freeloaders who are just throwing rubbish on there and hoping it will be bought. So there's a more realistic option, although I think the amount of designs that are available are quite limited. This is the basic plan. This is at $4.99 a month. It's for those who want to be more cautious with their brushstrokes, although you still have to be very active in yourself in order to mitigate the costs. This only allows us for 100 designs. It's a great starting point for emerging artists who want to dip their toes into the art market while keeping their options open. It's designs, it's not the number of products. Once you add the number of products to designs, it expands rapidly. So really, in effect, you still would have a shop which is selling somewhere in the region of about 10,000 different products. I think they've got 100 products available, everything from cups to canvases to fabrics and this, that and everything else, wallpaper, so on and so forth. So in reality, 100's not bad. I think that'd be a great place to start off from if you were genuinely serious about pushing Society6 forward and you had an active consumer base which wants to use your products. Personally, if this channel got to the point where I was able to sell products through YouTube itself, I would certainly use or want to use the products from Society6, not from anywhere else. And then of course we have the free plan, the rock bottom plan, the entry plan, which, although it's sold as great for beginners, it's really just there for it's going to basically just anybody who doesn't tap into Society6 to check on their account. It's just going to allow them all to drop down onto that and fade away, essentially. You only get 10 designs on there, not very much. You might be able to do something if you have a very particular niche market. You might be able to get away with it, whereas the other tiers give you 20% of all the profits. You've only got a 10% margin on this, and that's not very much when you're only selling, say, a cup for $5. 50 cents on that isn't very much. I don't know how many people will want to enter at that. It might be if you're very young and you're just starting out, it might be great, but I can't see how that's going to work out for most artists who are just using Society6 at the moment. Now, Society6 is definitely from 2009. It pushes LGBT and black artists to the front more than anybody else, and the rest of it just kind of is there as you need it to be. But if you're an artist on here, you're going to be self-promoting. So 2003, the conclusion is that Society6's new membership tiers will open up a world of opportunity for artists. So whether you're an established creative with a vast portfolio, which is going to be subject to artificial intelligence, because I cannot believe for a second that any artist on this planet can pull together 10,000 different designs for a portfolio that would be suitable for all the products that are on here without the use of AI. But that's my personal opinion. So there's going to be a place here for you. It just comes down to your budget, how well you're able to promote yourself, and whether you've actually got customers in the first place. So as an artist, your journey is going to be as unique as your creations. Society6's changes allow you to tailor your experience to specific needs, helping you to turn your art into a business, one brushstroke at a time. But I think in hindsight, they're going to lose a lot of artists who are going to move over to just go through things like Printful and just sell them through Amazon, eBay, Etsy, other means, rather than subscribing to a company which isn't that famous and doesn't have that huge impact on the artistic world. But if you're new to this and you've not done anything like this before, please go through the website. There are some wonderful artists on here. There are some brilliant designs that appear on various products, and there is something suitable for everything. My own little take will probably, because I don't know which tier I'm going to do, whether I want to pursue Society6 full time and push the boundaries, or whether I want to let mine just disappear completely. Obviously there's going to be other channels which are more cost effective for selling things, and obviously I'm not an American, so Society6 won't promote my my designs over American designs, basically. Simple as that. I've not noticed that, but I have made some money from them, so I'll always give them that. So there you have it, my fellow artists. Society6's evolving landscape and introduction of membership tiers to cater to all types of creators that are out there. So if you're eager to showcase your art to the world, this is definitely an exciting time to join Society6 community and explore these new possibilities. Hopefully the company will be able to push the remaining artists well beyond what's already there. So please keep the creative fire burning, and may your artistic endeavours bring you both joy and prosperity. So until next time, thank you for watching, and may your art shine as brightly as the stars above. Keep creating, stay inspired, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell for future videos, and hit the like button if you agree with everything I've said on here. Leave a comment and we'll start a conversation off describing what we all think of Society6 and websites that are just like this. Okay, tatty bye byes for now. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you enjoyed my content, please support this channel by visiting buymeacoffee.com/Whitley or scan the QR code to leave a tip.